Hey guys, this is John again from Character Red. So today in this video, what I'm showing you guys is how to make a cutting board out of some scrap wood. So you'll notice that I didn't cut anything because I already had this just lying around my shop. It's real easy to do, couple steps. Here I am gluing everything in and putting the pieces where I want them. After the glue dries, you're going to put it through your planer and plane it to make sure that everything is the same size. You want to do this that way you get a really nice smooth surface, and this is really going to be able to allow you to route the edges and make a really good project, a really great one. Once you run it through the planer a bunch of times, then you're going to want to sand it down. I normally start out at 80 grit, go up to 120, 180, and then finish it off at 220. This will make sure that you've got a really smooth surface, and 220 obviously is a finishing grit, so this is taking it right to the point to where you can finish this project. You don't have to worry about all the pieces being the exact length or anything like that. Later on in the video, I'm actually going to cut it to size just to make sure everything's all squared up and ready to go. Really, couple easy steps and you got yourself a nice cutting board. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of the planing and the rest of the finishing process. And then I'm going to also show you a video on how the cutting board oil actually makes something appear. So I actually finished this project without videoing it. So I'm going to apply the cutting board oil to a all walnut piece. And you see how like the wood really comes alive. And then I got some pictures on how everything turned out. So if you like this quick video, make sure you give me a like. Leave me some comments at the bottom on anything that you would like to see, or just anything that I could do better to teach you guys. Maybe if you want me to go more in depth, more step by step, just let me know. I've got some videos that I'm going to queue up over in the corner, so make sure that you check those other videos out. Hit the bell and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support that you're giving me on the channel. We'll see you later, guys.